Today's featured car of the day is a 1971 Plymouth GTX 440 4-barrel automatic with 88,927 miles showing on the odometer. It's been restored, has a comprehensive restoration, matching numbers, 440 4-barrel V8, automatic transmission, red with a black vinyl roof, and black bucket seat interior with a console and automatic shifter on the floor. I filmed this at the Mecum, Dallas, Fort Worth, and it sold on Saturday, November 1st, 2025, and it sold for $41,800. And it was a very nice car, a very nice restoration. I think it may have sold for more if it didn't have the dog dish hubcaps, if it would have had Magnum 500 wheels, and if it would have had the chrome bumpers front and rear instead of the painted bumpers. I think it would have sold for more, but the specifications on the engine, horsepower on the 444 barrel was still 370, and the torque was 480. And those are gross ratings. Net horsepower was 305. The net torque was 400. Compression was down to 9.7 to 1. It's one of 2,942 made in 71, of which the base 444 barrel, which what this one is one of 2,211. And the base price for the GTX was $3,733. If you upgrade it to the 6-barrel or 6-pack, whichever way you look at it, it was an extra $125. If you wanted to get the heavy, you had to pay an additional $953. And only 20 cars have the heavy in 1971. But that's today's featured car of the day, a 1971 Plymouth GTX 440 4-barrel automatic with 88,000 miles. That's been restored, matching numbers, 440 4-barrel automatic transmission, and a black bucket seat interior with a floor console and a floor shifter. And it sold on Saturday, November 1st, 2025 at Dallas Fort Worth Mecum auction, where it sold for $41,800. But that's today's featured car of the day. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you could share this video and my channel Car Finder with a friend, or share them on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again on the next one.
Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.